find the surface area of a sphere of diameter 14 centimeter. Now here in this question they have given you diameter which is 14 centimeter. So you know for the surface area of a square we have the formula as 4 pi r square. So we need the radius first. So we know radius is equal to diameter by 2, that is 14 by 2, which is 7 centimeter. Now it's quite easy by applying the surface area of a sphere which is 4 pi r square. You know the pi value which is 22 by 7. You know radius as well which is 7 centimeter. If you observe here, I am highlighting the point for you, as the diameter given is 14 centimeter and the radius is 7 centimeter. Substituting all the values here in the formula, the final answer is 616 centimeter square. Now taking the other diameters as well as 21 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter 5 meter, you can solve by using the formula. First of all, calculate the radius, substitute into the formula, get your result. That's it.